Because problems equals challenge equals solution equals success. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Kodah of All Cars, and today we're here now in Fort Marikina. May bibilin tayong isang kotse from one of their clients, galing sa service. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So those are the very, very nice agents of Ford Marikina. Yan, ako naman, gagwapo ng mga ano dito. Morning, morning, morning. Ayan, so if you wanna buy a Ford vehicle, Ford Marikina is one of the most professional and best dealers in Metro Manila. We'll just wait for the client. I know he's here. I think, Mr. Mike?
Yes.
Hello! Kodah, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Oh, how are you? Ito yung
Oh,
documents.
Yeah. You wanna see the vehicle first?
This is Mr. Mike. He's so handsome. Sabi lang nga ba, boses pa lang eh. Pogi pa lang. So we're here now sa service bay. Kasi this car has a steering problem. Other than that, the car's okay naman. Kaya naman ayusin. Aha. Okay.
Ano niya, stopgap niya. Pag
Aha.
turns off the engine, and then
So, may challenge kasi yung steering wheel assist niya. So, yeah, mahirap i-drive. Patoko na lang. Patoko na lang to, no? Tingin mo.
Sa akin, sir, saan po nyo dadali, sir?
Timog. Sa Banawe. Adali kong Banawe, no?
Kaya po.
Kaya?
Yes. Kaya, sir.
Kakayanin kaya ni Jury drive to hanggang Banawe sa high rises sa partners natin doon? We will see.
sabi nga niya, you just have to turn off, then on again. Kasi yun lumabas.
Oh, lumabas eh. Pero other than that, the car's okay. Lamig ng aircon. Mileage is pretty good. 29,000 for 2015. You know, sometimes kasi, ang kotse, pag hindi mo ginamit, doon nagkakaproblema.
Right.
So yeah, because Mr. Mike's sister owns this car. Tapos, hindi nagagamit. I think she's abroad, no? Your sister's abroad?
Yes. Yeah, my sister-in-law is abroad.
Sige.
So, that's why she gets to use it
Aha.
once a year.
Aha.
Yun.
O yun, talagang especially cars with a lot of electronic modules. Kasi that actually helps you, kaya ang gaang na manobela ng Ford.
Yeah.
However, if you don't use it nga, chances are, there's a chance that it could break down
Yeah.
due to the disuse.
Right.
Let's check the documents and pay.
Initially, my
Aha.
sister-in-law would bring it to a different Ford.
Yeah.
Common law.
Ah, nice. Mabait din sila doon.
Yeah. That's the last one.
Aha. Okay. Perfect.
Spare. This is the SPA.
Aha.
This is the ORCR.
Perfect.
These are her two IDs. Deed of release.
Ayan.
Good. And then the promissory. Yeah. This one's the TPL.
Aha. All good. Tapos let's have your ID Xerox. Kasi ikaw yung nasa SPA.
Sure.
Driver's license, kung meron ka.
Yeah, I think I have that.
And then any another ID would be
Okay.
So yun. So since may SPA si Mr. Mike, from his sister, he can sign on behalf of the sister. Usually kapag family member, like a daughter, a son, a brother, a sister, pwede yan. Bigat lang naman nobela, pero buti may scanner tayo. So sabi naman ng Service of Ford, i-delete lang ang i-delete hanggang makarating ng Banawe. Kasi our partners there, si High Riser. Shout out Louie. They're one of the best service outside of a casa. So, dadala namin lahat ng coach namin doon for repair. So if you're looking for a good repair shop in Banawe, I suggest High Riser, Sprint, AutoServe. Those three are really good places to take your car for repairs. Major and minor, they have parang change oil, maganda, they have good service. So I'm thinking of taking this car there to have it checked para mapaayos natin agad. Kasi other than that, okay yung kotse. Kumbaga, they just don't want to go through the hassle of fixing it and selling it. Kasi as a trade-in partner, yun naman yung maganda sa atin. Kumbaga, we're here to help the clients na to conveniently dispose of their vehicle, to liquidate the car.
Passport, SSS.
Yes. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Sige, yeah, okay din.
That's fine.
Okay. We're done. Oh, picture time na lang, but we bought the car already. May mga challenges lang yung kotse, but I think it's workable. Hopefully, no, it's workable. Kasi sometimes we buy cars na may onting challenge. And that's our role as a trade-in partner para makabili sila ng bago. If it's at the right price point, sige, I'll buy it. Kahit medyo challenging. So sana may pyesa nito. We will see. Sana I didn't buy a problem. But I like problems because problems equals challenge equals solution equals success. That's the secret. I want to thank all my trade-in partners, all the dealers that we're partnered with, all the agents. So if you want to sell your cars, just contact me, Kodah of All Cars, and hope you have a nice day. Mag-picture lang kami, and then we'll be done today. Then off to the next. Have a nice day.